guys, what's good? I'm Nair from Body Pro Coach. We have been getting about almost 7 videos a week, which includes of recipes, informations, TTS, that's train to liquid programs, Maahek core pilates, and one video on the movement, how to create the movement. So this is the most important thing that's going to keep you really fit, okay? So being said that, you want to make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell icon, that you always get to know about our new videos coming in, which is almost 7 times in a week. Alright, so I've got today something very cool and very easy to make. That's about some chicken spinach soup. So it takes only about 10 minutes to prepare it and it's high in nutrients. So let's go and have a look at the recipe now.
First I have 200 grams of boiled chicken. Then I have 1 cup of spinach. This is previously been boiled, drained in cold water and then blended. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoon. Pink Himalayan salt as per taste. Amul fresh cream. First, 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. To that, I'm going to add my spinach. That's 1 cup of spinach. Like I said, it's already been blanched, then run under cold water and then blended. Today we are doing chicken, which is for about 4 people. Now to this I'm going to add my 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, lastly I'm going to add 200 grams of boiled chicken. Now I'm going to give it a nice stir. Overlay nicely the spinach over the chicken. Lastly, I'm going to add some water. That's about half a cup of water. Half tablespoon of salt, basically as per your taste. And once you see it's getting a good boil, then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. So a healthy chicken spinach soup is ready.
Alright guys, here we are back with the chicken spinach soup. It's amazing, it's filled with macro and micronutrients and some good amount of fiber. Okay, so being said that, we got a lot of videos for you guys to keep you really fit. Please share some with your friends and family and do give it a thumbs up. Lots of love, I'll see you in the next video.